Welcome to our channel. Today, we're showing you how to change your BitLocker password on Windows 11. First, type Manage BitLocker in the Windows search box. In BitLocker Drive Encryption panel, locate the drive. Make sure your encrypted drive is unlocked. Click the Change Password option besides the encrypted drive. Next, enter your current password. Then type your new password and confirm it by entering it again. Click Change Password to save the changes. You'll see a confirmation message when the password has been successfully updated. Now, let's use Command Prompt to change your BitLocker password. Open an admin command prompt. Run the following command, manage but change password G, replacing G with your drive letter. Press Enter. When prompted, enter and confirm your new password. Note that the password will not be visible as you type. That's it. Your BitLocker password has been changed. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. See you next time.